Okay, according to this camera's instructions, it is recording. I am Newbee 550, and this video is going out. Well, you guys know who you are. Okay, this is my HK 550 frame, multi-Wii flight control board, MTK 3329 module, 9X, transmitter receiver version 2. Too long a wiring. You guys that have been talking to me, you know who you are, or these are too big. I got 150s coming. I got to make this quick because I want to keep this video small. Here's the wires down to a sticky thing, removing them from any access to any power wiring. Of course, that makes me a liar right there. I am still not getting any GPS. That is what this video is about. I am going to turn on my receiver. Okay, that is on. I'm going to plug this in if I can keep the camera going. Okay, going through startup. Okay, my board, I did not get it to ARM with yaw, so I have opted to activate this with a switch to ARM, and then to show, this is the foam. Everybody, you know who I'm talking about. I do have the foam to cover that, and I will put the screw in here in a hold down plastic tab to cover the barometer. Just to show you that I have calibrated the ESC's single motor only version of doing it with the receiver and max throttle, minimum throttle, listening for the beeps so that you know that all your ESCs are individually calibrated. I am going to move throttle up. All motors start at the same time and are roughly the same RPM. All the way to max throttle. Of course, props off so you don't hurt yourself. Back down, adjusting roll. You can hear it's changing. Pitch, roll, yaw. Seemed like a little difference there. Then all motors stop at the same time. So calibration should be fairly close. I'm positive that someone will argue with me with that, and I hope you do, because then we can explain why I'm hearing differences in RPM. I have laser tacked RPM'd every motor. They are about the same within 50 RPMs, so I think that that's probably pretty close. I'm going to disarm. I have little red light there with the GPS module staying on steady. I don't know if you guys are going to get that. Okay, swinging around here. I have a test board set up here that I pre-programmed with the 2.2 sketch. And just to show that it is off kilter, goes off kilter, it goes. And off kilter again, and off kilter again. Then take you over to the Wii. Like Wii. Alright, I'm going to connect the board. As you can see, I have, looking at the screen, I have mag. I have accelerometer, and of course all of the status on the lines. One thing I find curious is that I have GPS, accelerometer, barometer, and mag. But I have no satellite bird count, and I have no actual blinking light showing that it is functioning. That seems to be my problem. Going to my sketch, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see this real well. I'm trying to keep the reflections down. There's my defined quad. There's my board defined FFIMU version 2. And I've left everything else alone because I don't want to put any complications in here. Let's see, we'll scroll down to GPS. Okay, GPS. I have defined out the serial 2. I did not take these forward slashes off. Should be 2 for Flyduino version 2. It's the serial port number on the Duino Mega. So I figured that didn't affect me. There's the defined baud rate of 115.2. Defined MKT GPS initializes the GPS module. And down here, I have put in my magnetic declination of 1420, F being east, positive. Now let's see here, serial port has not been changed. Down here, I changed the failsafe a little. Okay, set calibration high 2000, yeah, that's right. Let's see. I lost myself for a second there. So nothing's really out of the norm. The only thing I have changed is motor stop. Yeah, define motor stop because I want the props to quit when I'm at minimum. I should find failsafe right away. But you're gonna have to take my word for it. I changed it to 400, so that's got a little more throttle when it's in a failsafe mode. Other than that, I have left this sketch alone. Other than defining my quad and the rest of things that are normal. So, I'm a little confused. I still don't have GPS. I don't have any blinking light, the green light showing that it is trying to communicate with the board. So I do not understand that, and you guys, I have followed everything to the letter, so I'm starting to believe that maybe these modules are defective. I don't know what else. I can't believe I'd have 2 defective modules in a row. But that's what I'm pretty much left with. And that's Newbee's video to post to YouTube. We'll talk to you guys later.